US authorities are reportedly moving towards dropping fraud charges against Indian billionaire Gautam Adani in connection with an alleged $265 million bribery and securities fraud case, according to a Bloomberg report. The report stated that the US Department of Justice is expected to withdraw the criminal case as early as this week. At the same time, the US Securities and Exchange Commission is reportedly working towards settling a parallel civil fraud case filed in November 2024. Prosecutors in New York had accused Gautam Adani, his nephew Sagar Adani, and former Adani Green Energy CEO Vineet Jain of involvement in an alleged bribery scheme linked to India's largest solar power project. According to investigators, the accused allegedly made payments to Indian officials to secure contracts related to the project. Authorities claimed that contracts were expected to generate nearly $2 billion in profits over a 20-year period. Prosecutors also alleged that the accused raised more than $3 billion through loans and bond offerings while concealing the alleged corruption from investors. Gautam Adani founded the Adani Group in 1988, which later grew into one of India's largest infrastructure conglomerates, with businesses spanning ports, airports, mining, power and logistics sectors. So viewers, will the US decision to drop the case bring closure to the controversy, or will questions still remain? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.